thirsty. Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today's episode, we're truck camping at Buck Creek State Park. Got the nice little reservoir behind us there. So tonight we're truck camping with the view. Of course, I've got my dog Queen with me. Queen, come on. Oh, looks like she's pooping. Time for dinner. Go ahead. Oh, that's for me. Queen, do you like your dinner? As Steve Wallace would say, step one is shelter. And while I guess it's already here, might as well set everything up. So step one. All right, guys, just like that. Step one, complete. So super simple setup tonight. Nemo tensor and my hammock gear, 30-degree bag. Got a foam pillow. For the dog, I got blanket down there. There's a Z-Light under her bed as well. And I got two of the big grandma style, wool blankets with the wolf on it. I got another comforter as well. Supposed to get a little cold tonight, not crazy. Maybe down to 20 degrees or so. But I think with those blankets and all that, we'll be nice and toasty back in the back of the truck. So now that step one is complete, again, as Steve Waltz would say, on to step two. And today, that's a lighthearted ale. Girl, do you like camping? So I've got her tied up to the picnic table. She's pretty good. She listens pretty well. The thing is, I'm filming. I'm not very used to filming. Bunch of cars driving up and down through here as well. So I do not want anything to happen to you. So before it gets too dark, guys, at some point I have to start thinking about food. And today I'm cooking something absolutely fantastic. So I brought some stuff with me along to make some Gnocchi Carbonara. That's old pasta water, by the way, because I'm not boiling my gnocchi. You'll see. Some Gnocchi Carbonara. So, of course, I got a couple eggs for the carbonara sauce. Some gnocchi. Some garbage from lunch. Huge block of Parmesan cheese. That's almost gone. This is my snack for later, some almond dark chocolate, absolutely wonderful. And instead of pancetta, I'm doing bacon. So if you guys haven't seen, I just put a video out of my truck camper build itself. Super simple, literally anyone can do it. Well, I guess as long as you have a pickup truck. But if you want to see that video, up here somewhere, check it out. Queen, you can't have any. I could have rethought this part a little bit better. Okay, that's what I need. I need this. Jeez, you need a lot of stuff apparently. Okay. So if you're not aware, carbonara, super simple meal to make. It's pretty much only just pasta, eggs, Parmesan cheese. Of course, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I dropped this on the floor earlier. I don't know which way it went, so we'll just do that. And you pretty much combine it all. Well, first you cook your bacon. Usually pancetta. Today, I'm doing bacon. So we'll chop this up, get it in the cast iron. Kind of let that cook down, get nice and crispy. And we'll take it out, get our gnocchi cooking. And once that's done, you're pretty much done, guys. All you got to do is just mix up your Parmesan cheese and whatever seasonings you want. Mix that all together, and you got carbonara. So I guess first step, get your bacon all cut up. And we'll do that just once your bacon's all cut up, you can go directly into the skillet. So that'll start cooking down nicely, getting wonderful and crispy. I think I'll throw the gnocchi in there immediately as well. Just to make sure they get nice and done. Oh yeah. All right guys, next step, we're gonna prepare our cheese carbonara mixture. Cracked a couple eggs in here. I'm doing one whole egg, one egg yolk, and then I'm just gonna grate a whole bunch of Parmesan cheese in there as well, and a little bit of pepper. All right, guys. One thing about carbonara, I guess two things, maybe three things. If you're actually Italian, don't at me. I don't know how to make traditional carbonara. This is the carbonara that I've made before, and it's fantastic. Second thing, you can't really have too much Parmesan. And the third thing, if you're a little squeamish about eating runny eggs, probably shouldn't make this. Because the whole point is to have like a creamy sauce. And to where you're really putting in the eggs. And you don't really want them cooking all the way. You kind of want them just emulsified into a beautiful sauce. Instead of like scrambled egg consistency or anything like that. So what I think I'll actually do is, since this pan, cast iron of course, it's going to hold its heat for a very long time. It will definitely overcook the egg mixture. So I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take it from that bowl, just put it into my my feeding vessel, and then when this is all ready, just dump that in, give it a really good stir, maybe a little bit of pasta water if needed. Actually, I might throw a little bit of pasta water in there just to make sure I get nice and creamy. I think that's going to be hard to film, but I'll show you guys when it's right there. All right, guys, so it's all mixed, or I guess it's combined. Now, time to mix it all up. See if I can't cook those eggs just a little bit, so I don't have to put it back in the pan. But see how this is making a nice, creamy, delectable sauce? It's exactly what you want. So if anything, I'm just going to add a little bit more Parmesan, and I'll see you guys when I move in for a taste. Okay, here we go. That's some delicious looking carbonara. The gnocchi seems to be nice, pillowy, and fluffy. I hope the eggs are cooked enough. They're definitely not overcooked, so that's good. Let's give this a little bit of a taste, guys. That's so good. It's so creamy. Really rich from the bacon. The gnocchi is really pillowy, cooked beautifully. There's a little bit of like the Maillard reaction on the gnocchi itself, and of course from the bacon. Definitely give this one a go next time you're car camping. All right, guys, so I'm just going to enjoy this dinner here really quick. I'll catch you guys afterwards because the sun's really going down. It's getting kind of cold, and I think it's time for a nice fire. Guys, basic fire rule. Wait until the flames are above the current fuel source before you add more fuel. In this case, I think we could use a little more just because it's like log cabin style, but that's just general rule of thumb. Few things in my opinion that can beat just a nice fire. It's nature's TV right there. I reckon I'm gonna sit and enjoy this for a few minutes, catch up with you guys back in the truck. So we're back in the truck. Got the dog under the blanket. She's warming up. I've got a nice little bit of chocolate and a nice book. I think we're gonna relax in here for the rest of the night. I brought this thermometer with me. When I first got back here, it said 35 degrees. So we went up, 2.5. Keep my eye on the humidity as well. We'll see what that gets to tonight. I think it's supposed to be about 20 degrees at 5 a.m. So we'll see. I think there's a min-max mode on here. Yeah, it'll show the lowest it got overnight. So guys, it's like 8:30. Read a few pages in my book, watched a couple YouTube videos, and it's time for me to go to bed tonight. Good morning, friends. If you can't hear it, I got the heater blasting in the truck. So actually sleeping wasn't too bad. It was pretty comfortable back there. I got down to like 26, so you could see when I was waking up. Definitely chilly though. Everything's frozen back there. I was gonna make some coffee. Of course, that's all frozen solid. So looks like McDonald's breakfast for me on the way home. Got about a 2.5 hour drive. Not too bad. It's about 6:15 in the morning. And I figured now is the perfect time as any to get up and get started for the day. So as always, guys, thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like below. Leave me a comment. Are you crazy enough to sleep in a truck camper with no insulation and no heater? Let me know below. And remember, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more, consider subscribing. All right, guys, thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.